Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and since it's holiday time, I thought we might make a nice little cranberry sauce. And of course, we can't have a regular cranberry sauce around here. We have to have a spiced Zinfandel cranberry sauce. So let me show you how we're gonna do it. Let's start with some good Zinfandel wine. I've got a couple of cups here. Use something you would drink. Don't cheap out here, because we're gonna reduce it so the flavor is gonna really come through. To that, I'm gonna add some sugar. I'm gonna add some fresh orange juice, some strips of orange peel. I just pulled it off with a knife. Some ginger, a few whole cloves, and a couple cinnamon sticks. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna cook this for about 15 minutes. We're gonna bring it to a boil, reduce it to a simmer, and we're just gonna let it thicken just a little bit. Okay, so let's get this on the stove. Basically, all we're gonna do here is we're gonna reduce it and dissolve the sugar, of course. So we'll stir it around and dissolve the sugar a little bit. Then we're gonna bring them to a boil. And then we're gonna let them simmer and reduce just a little bit to get all the flavors out of the goodies that we added. The orange and the cinnamon and the ginger and the cloves. So I went ahead and strained all the solids out of the cranberry wine sauce stuff. There's no cranberries in it just yet. Oh my goodness, it smells fabulous. I think it'd be kind of like what mulled wine is, I guess. I've never had mulled wine. But now we're gonna add 1 package of cranberries. It's like 12 ounces. Let's drop those little guys in. Okay. And then we're gonna bring the heat up to about kind of high. And we're gonna stir it and we're gonna let the cranberries start to pop. They'll release their little juices in air and they'll pop. So once they start doing that, then we're gonna reduce them and simmer them for about 20 minutes till they start to get kind of saucy and it'll get kind of thick because of the natural pectin and stuff in the cranberries. Okay, our cranberry sauce is just about done. I'm gonna mash up the cranberries just to help them break up just a little bit. I don't want to puree it. I don't want it to be really thin. I like to keep it a little rustic. But see, it's turned into a bit kind of saucy. Look fabulous. Okay, so I'm going to take it off the heat and we're going to let it cool. And then I'm going to show you how we're going to plate it. Okay, our cranberry sauce is cooled. I've put it in a nice pretty glass container. Now, of course, we eat cranberries with our turkey, with our chicken, what have you. But here's another idea for it. Take a little cracker, super simple, some sort of simple cheese, brie, cream cheese, something mild. And we'll add a little bit of this. Now what a cute little crostini this would be, right? Like multi-purpose, our cranberry sauce. A little taste. Whoops. That's so good. And this happens to be the wine that is in the cranberry sauce. So what better accompaniment, huh? It's a yummy zin, and it's good because this is enough sweetness and fruitiness to go with this. It complements it. So give it a go at Thanksgiving or anytime really. It'd be great with roast chicken. Doesn't have to be turkey. It's easy breezy.